Hi guys, welcome back to the Right About Now channel. This is Zia. Thank you for tuning in. Since 2020, all of the touring bikes in the Harley lineup have stopped shipping with the heel shifter. So I've never tried the heel shifter on before, but it was a cheap enough part and I was lucky I found one. They are out of stock till June and certain places have them. So I figured, you know what, let me go ahead and buy it. It's literally less than maybe a 10-minute install. So let me go ahead and buy it and see how it feels. If I like it, great. If I don't, I'll go ahead and return it. So we're gonna go ahead and install the heel shifter on my 21 Road Glide. Alright, so this should be a fairly easy install. You've got your lever here. You've got the heel shift peg right here, and then a couple of hardware pieces right here. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do is go ahead and take this bolt out of here. Alright, now this lever is supposed to come right off, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna just mark this off. I'm just gonna go ahead and measure this and see where this sits, and I'm just gonna measure it my own way rather than getting a measuring tape, just so I know at what angle I need to put that back. So this rubber piece comes off as well, and they have provided a smaller piece that'll go in here. Alright, so this is the long spacer that was on here that'll come off, and the one the package has provided is a smaller one, and that's so you could put both of these levers on here. So we're gonna put that in there, and then we're gonna go ahead and install our toe shifter. I just want to go ahead and make sure that it is exactly where it was. Yep, it's at the same angle. Little my own weird way of measuring. So this has to go flush here. Alright, so this has to go flush here because you see this cutout or the groove right here. This is where this sits and tightens up, so that's why it's got to be flush. So let's go ahead and put this through here, and then get this going. Let's go ahead and tighten this down. Alright, next we're gonna go ahead and get our heel shifter and go ahead and install that. And you want to also have it at an angle where it does not, you know, when you're downshifting, it does not hit the floorboard down here. So that's something that you want to keep in mind. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the peg and install that right here, and the screw, the big bolt right here is what goes through. It'll only go through one side, so right here is an opening. That's where this will go through, so it can sit somewhat flush on the peg, and then it's just gonna screw in on top. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and tighten this up. Alright, should do it. And now just find the best angle to install this in. So when you're shifting, you want to make sure that it does not, does not interfere here. I'm gonna check and see if this is the right angle for me. Let's see if I can raise it up one. I think this should be good. Yeah, this should be good. Alright, so just make sure this is sitting flush. And now all there's left to do is go ahead and slide the hardware in there and tighten this up. Alright, that should be good. Alright, I'm excited to try this out. Alright, so this is how my foot is on the floorboard. And I've got plenty of room. I mean, just this is just something to get used to. There's plenty of room here to move my foot around. It's something to get used to. If I don't like it, I can always switch it out. But that's how easy it is to install the heel shifter on this. Well, that'll do it for the video. I appreciate you guys tuning in and watching the video. If you like it, please hit the like button and please hit that subscribe button. Well, let me know if you guys like the heel shifter or not, and if you guys use it. Let me know in the comments below. And I appreciate it once again, and until next time, be safe.